You're not taking a
I bet you I will get them because you know I went to the magistrate and legal aid channel 3.
You have a balance.
No, I do not. My receipt says 7 nights and 7 days.
Yes, you do.
Thank you.
Yes, you do have a balance.
Because
You have a
they
balance.
out.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday night, Tuesday night. I didn't say Wednesday night.
So you think we're gonna hold your stuff for free? We're gonna hold your stuff for free.
Thursday night,
Hold your stuff for
Friday
free. Is that
night,
what
Saturday night, Sunday night,
So what happens
Monday
after
night,
that?
Tuesday night, and you made me leave Wednesday. How many nights is that?
Who made you leave?
How many nights is that?
Who made
count,
you leave?
count. No, let's go back and count. Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night. That's 6 nights.
Where's your receipt?
You want to see my receipt? I got it right here, baby. Yeah, I'll show you my receipt.
You do that.
This is good stuff. I ain't got no way. I ain't got no way. I ain't got no
7 days, 7 nights, okay? Keep videoing it because you know what? It's illegal to do that shit too.
It's not.
I know my rights.
It's
Oh,
not.
yes, it
I
is.
know my rights.
Okay,
It's not.
I do too.
It's not.
You guys are con artists.
It's
I'll show
a
you my receipt.
private business.
No, I want my
can do
belongings.
all I like.
Here.
It's a private
The police
business.
officer told us that we are not.
You know what? The magistrate in the office on Little Creek Road said.
Then why doesn't the
You know what
magistrate
they
serve
said?
her?
You know what they said? You don't give over to $200. You cannot hold my personal property belongings.
People at the
No,
OCD.
you cannot. We will see. We will see. Here's my goddamn receipt.
I won't record that
Yeah,
one.
6 nights. Can you not count? I paid for 7 nights. Here you go.
280. You said 282.
And I paid $290, and you got everything down. 7 nights, 7 days. I stayed 6. Add it up.
You only get it's 7 nights
Add
and
it.
6 days.
7 nights, and I stayed 6 nights. Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night,
And
Wednesday.
that's
she
your
made me leave.
checkout. No. Wednesday.
7 nights.
checkout.
Mine says 7 nights.
No, it's
7
nights
nights.
and 6 days. At 11 o'clock
7
on
nights.
Wednesday, you
No,
are
whatever.
to vacate.
Whatever. Okay,
You are
whatever.
to vacate.
Whatever. I got a lawyer and shit, so whatever.
Good. Oh my God.
You don't get that goddamn front of my face,
Awesome.
I'm busted.
Bussy.
You the fuckers. That's how y'all get shit. You get my shit back.
6
You get my
days.
shit back.
Bye.
Channel 3 News will be here.
Adios.
I don't call them two churches.
What? Because you're being irate.
Because I paid $209.
You paid for 6 days and,
And 7 nights.
No, 7 days.
See, look at that.
6 nights and 7 days. On
No,
that
oh, no.
Wednesday, you
Oh,
checked
no,
out.
no, excuse me.
Absolutely.
Oh, no, absolutely my ass. 7 days and 7 nights right here.
Then
Come
why
on,
did
goddamn
you leave
bitch.
on the day that you?
Because she made me leave.
Nobody made you do
She
anything.
just she done pushed me out of the fucking room.
Because you owed her money.
I don't owe her shit.
You do. If you
That's
left and
why
you
you
owed her
got
money
kicked
and
out.
you knew it.
My paper says 7 days, 7 nights. I stayed 6 nights. And right here's proof.
But you were kicked out because
Why
you
were you
didn't
Old
pay.
money.
Because I didn't owe.
You
You
did
owed
owe her. She would have
money.
never.
Ma'am, it says 7 nights.
Yo,
Add
money.
it. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 6 nights. My paper says 7 nights. And let's see, can you read 7 nights paid? 7. I said
Let's look at the
7.
dates.
Look the date.
No,
It says
The dates are the important part. The
Hold on,
dates.
It says
Dates are the
7.
important part.
7 nights.
Let me see
You're
the
you're
night.
wrong.
Dates are the important
7
part.
nights.
Who is? You are. I'm not the one.
You're getting my shit back.
No,
No, we're not.
The more
No,
you
we're
do that,
not.
you're-
You do.
I
I'm
bet
we're
you
not.
don't.
No, you're not getting your stuff back. You're not getting your stuff back. Bye. Okay,
Go
okay.
ahead. Go
We
ahead.
just did.
7 nights. 7 nights.
And what is your name again?
Don't worry about it. You got it all right.
Because you know you're wrong.
You're wrong.
You know
Shit.
you're wrong.
You got to hold somebody. You're some sick A-rap motherfucker.
Are you? Do I look Arab to you? Do I?
A-Rab money.
Hey.
We get
Are you
A-Rab
kidding
money.
me?
A-Rab money.
Get his license plate, Sean.
A-Rab.
Go.
XJA 9067.
Well, it's on video, so I got it.
Is she retarded?
I just-
You said.
All right.
Are you kidding me?
Hold on. And
Do
this
you get
perfect,
that?
clear
Okay,
picture
check
of
in
my
on a
plate.
Tuesday. That's Tuesday night.